What's up, P-Timers? It's race day, and today we've got the Indy Oval up against 6 other extreme race cars. Before we get the racing started, let's see the cars that the Indy Oval is going to go up against today. First, we've got the Porsche 917, this cool looking yellow extreme Hot Wheels race car. Next up, we've got the Aston Martin Vantage GT3. Check out the color, the big wing, the chrome wheels to top it off. After that, we've got the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. Check out this gray color, gray wheels. Great looking car, aggressive looking from the front end. Check that one out. After that, we've got the coolest fantasy car. We've got the head starter, big engine in the back, little guy up front there to race this down the track. Can this beat the Indy Oval? And then we've got the Ferrari FXX, the big bad Ferrari racing machine. Last but not least, we've got the 2016 Ford GT Race. Already tuned out. Check out that big diffuser on the back and that big wing to go. It's gonna look cool going down beside the Indy Oval. And this is our official peak time racing track emergency crew. They will be standing at the finish line to make sure everything is okay. All right, guys, our first race is all set. The Indy Oval is gonna go up against all 6 of these cars. We're gonna see how many it can beat. Here we go. First race, the Porsche 917 versus Indy Oval. On your mark, get set, go! Wasn't even close. The Porsche 917 gets destroyed by the Indy Oval. We're all set for race number 2. It's the Aston Martin Vantage GT3. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Go! Aston Martin Vantage GT3 takes the win against the Indy Oval. It's now 1-1. Now we've got the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo versus the Indy Oval. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Go! Lamborghini Huracan takes a loss and the Indy Oval takes the lead. Once again, it's up 2-1. Now we've got head starter on the track. Both cars are in the middle. Let's see what happens here. On your mark, get set, go! That was a close race. The head starter jumped out to the lead, but the Indy Oval came out ahead at the end. The Indy Oval is now up 3-1. Let's put the Ferrari FXX down. The Ferrari FXX needs to take a win for the race cars, otherwise it's a runaway with the Indy Oval. On your mark, get set, go! Ferrari FXX takes the win, and it's now 3-2 for the Indy Oval. It is all up to the 2016 Ford GT race. It needs to win to even this out. Otherwise, the Indy Oval will take the win and beat the race cars. Here we go. Race number 6. On your mark, get set, go! Some major disappointment, the Ford GT race let its team down and couldn't even finish the race. And that just means the Indy Oval wins 4 out of the 6 races to take the win against the race cars. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite race car from today's race. Big timers for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.